He had a dream which he never dreamt before. He dreamt that he was on the wings of a huge bird which flew with him in the direction of Mecca, and then flew in all directions of the world. It flew to an unknown land and descended there. In that unknown land, the bird left him and flew away. Confused, he sought the wisdom of his dream from Sheikh Abdallah al-Murshid, his mentor. The master interpreted the dream. You shall make the pilgrimage to Mecca and visit the tomb of the Prophet at Al-Madinah. You shall travel through the lands of Al-Yemen, Al-Iraq, the land of the Turks, and India. You shall be the greatest traveler ever. Do you know who he was? This traveler is none other than Muhammad Abdallah, better known as Ibn Battuta, the 14th century traveler from Morocco. He journeyed from North Africa to Yemen, to Iraq, to Palestine, to Afghanistan, to Pakistan and India, and to Maldives also. Finally, he went to China. He covered about 75,000 miles, or 120,000 kilometers, for 18 years without a break. Absolutely astonishing feat. Ibn Battuta chronicled his epic travels in a book called The Rihla. His travels inspired the world forever. Ibn Battuta was truly the greatest nomad and the greatest world citizen ever. We'll follow Cogito History for unique understandings of history.